The halls of Capitol Hill are quiet this week as lawmakers leave for the Christmas and New Year holidays, but the echo of crucial matters left unsettled reverberates across party lines. Among the pressing issues are emergency aid for Ukraine, tightening border security, and the spectre of two government shutdown deadlines looming in January. As Democrats and Republicans prepare to hit the ground running upon their return in early January, the spotlight remains on the intertwined issues of emergency aid for Ukraine and border security. President Joe Biden's call for an additional $61 billion in support for Ukraine's defense is met with demands from conservative Republicans to bolster border security laws given the surge in immigrant arrivals. In the backdrop of these legislative challenges, Republican voters are gearing up to choose their nominee for the 2024 presidential election, adding another layer of complexity to an already intricate political landscape. Congress faces not one but two government shutdown deadlines on January 19th and February 2nd, intensifying the urgency to reach bipartisan agreements. Failure to reconcile differences on the 12 spending bills could result in widespread government shutdowns, affecting critical programs from agriculture and nutrition to airport funding and military facilities. While lawmakers enjoy their holiday break, behind-the-scenes negotiations continue with bipartisan efforts to reform antiquated U.S. asylum laws. This could pave the way for Senate votes on critical international issues, including aid to Ukraine, support for Israel's conflict against Hamas in Gaza, and assistance to Taiwan. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, despite their differences, share a sense of urgency. McConnell emphasized the need for comprehensive immigration reforms and foreign military aid, stressing their importance from South Texas to Southeast Asia and the Red Sea. As the nation awaits Congress's return in early January, the path forward appears complex. With major immigration revisions, foreign aid packages, and government funding bills on the table, lawmakers will face significant challenges. The fate of vital programs and the functioning of government hang in the balance.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.